your name emblazoned boldly as you lead your life with anxious and repetitive behavior. Automatic doom. Is there a magic flowing chalice waiting for you? And would you be the prince if you determined that your quest is over and you lead your life with anxious and repetitive behavior? Automatic doom. Is there a crystal cosmic sparrow floating away? Is there a neo-pterodactyl coming to prey? Are you prepared to see the bad things that you say in blazing boldly in gold letters on your tongue?